Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss about what does it mean when earbuds flash orange and its two solutions. So let's get started. First, four reasons why your earbud case is blinking oranges are solid orange light with earbuds in the case indicates that your earbuds are charging inside the case. Then, solid orange light without earbuds in the case indicates that your charging case does not have enough charge in order to recharge your earbuds again fully. Then, flashing orange light indicates that earpods are having an issue with pairing with your audio source, phone, PC, game, console, or anything you are trying to connect it with. So now in order to fix it, first thing just let your earbuds and case charge longer. If the orange light is solid, not flashing, this simply tells you that either the earbuds or the case are charging and likely have a low battery. Just let them charge longer and the orange light will go away. Now, if the case is flashing an orange light, then you'll have to reset and reconnect your earbuds. Place your earbuds inside the charging case and wait at least 30 seconds. Then open the settings app in your iPhone, go to the Bluetooth and select the eye icon and select forget this is device. Then after that, simply reconnect your earbuds to your iPhone again. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.